Hello, in today's video I will be reviewing the Novel Keys X Kailh Pro Heavy Plums. These are a heavy tactile switch. If I'm right, it takes about 95, 98 grams of force to actuate. I've had this keyboard for a while. I do like the switch. This is a very good switch. At least I give it like a 7 or like an 8 out of 10 overall. The only negative to this switch is it uses the cherry form of tactility, which is basically like a bump than a slide, which is a massive negative because the spring is so heavy, it the tactility is all lessened. The best way to I'll just put in or bring in a cherry brown keyboard here. This is about 2/3 or more like an 8/10 or whatever it is in lower numbers, the amount of tactility that a standard cherry brown does or has. It is less scratchy than a brown because it's a bit higher, or the molds are a bit better, I don't really know, but this is less scratchier than the brown. Yeah. I don't really know what else to do, but let's just get on with the sound test. Yeah, so obviously these sound a bit deeper than the standard cherry brown. It could either be that because of Kailh's the less distance that a Kailh switch travels, or the spring. I don't really know which, but yeah, I just gonna end it here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.